Saving money for a 52-week savings challenge emergency fund does not have to be hard, because you can take small amounts of money every time you get some money, put it away to the side and save it. It adds up over time. Yeah, and in this 52-week savings challenge, it is going to be easy. And this 52-week savings challenge actually is almost over, because we're getting to the end of this end of this year. And if you're just joining me, that's fine. You can start now and carry it over to next year. Matter of fact, this savings challenge has been going on for almost 2 years. I started this one in 2024. So join me in this savings challenge. And like I said, we're working with small amounts of money. And that way you will have your $1,000 emergency fund. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025. And we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency fund. And if you have an emergency, you will be happy that you're saving money for emergency fund. Ain't nothing worse than being in this situation when emergency comes. Been there, done that. We don't want to be in that situation. We want to have money to tap into. Okay? Now, I have 7 savings challenges. And today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And it is working with small amounts of money. What you're going to need for this savings challenge is this. Money, money, money. Who's that had a song said, money, money, money? The OJs. Yeah, you're going to need this and something to keep the money in. Now, you don't have to have this one, but this is a water bottle that I got from Walmart. It was around $13, $14. It was full of water when I bought it. I bought it home, poured the water out, and I let it dry real good. And I've been adding 10 $1 bills in this since 2024, the beginning of 2024. And the goal was to save $1,000. And it took from the beginning of 2024 to the end of 2024 to save $500, adding 10 $1 bills in here every week, every Monday. So then I thought, well, I'll carry it over to 2025, and by the end of 2025, it should be $1,000, because it took a year to save $500. So it'll take another year to save another $500, and it'll be $1,000. So I'm gonna do this again next year, but I think what I'm gonna do is put 20 $1 bills in. That way, by the end of 2026, it will be $1,000. Yeah. I won't say save $1,000 in 2 years, but the thing about it is, this is just to show you all or someone that it is possible to save money no matter what your financial situation is. Even if you're on this, if this is your situation, but if it is, find a way to increase it. Matter of fact, have multiple streams of income. Don't just have one. If you're working a 9 to 5 that's not paying that much, find one paying more, or get some side hustles. Do something extra. You got to have more than one stream of income. And matter of fact, you got to have an income to do this, okay? So yeah, you should be able to get 10 $1 bills out of your income. And if you can't get it out of your income, sit down and create a budget. Write everything, look at how much money is coming in, how much is going out. And write everything down. And start eliminating some things, because a lot of times we're spending money on things we don't need. You know, we want to have good behavior with money. We want to live on less than what we make. Watch our spending. Staying out of this. Have good behavior with money. Be a good money manager. Yes. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, because it is. And if this is your situation, this will be a great savings challenge. If this is your situation. Because like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. Now, if you can't do 10 $1 bills every week, do it every 2 weeks. Do it every month. But do something. Yeah. Now, this having an emergency fund will keep you from having to go get one of these. See that? One of these. One of these. And run up a bunch of these. Okay? You want to stay out of this because it is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. And we especially want to stay out of this. This is this. This is this. No. Now, this will be good because this can cause us to have passive income, and it can help us to become financially free. Like, you would have to get into this to buy some real estate. That can help you to have passive income, okay? Yeah. And another thing you want to do is do what you can to pay these off. This will help you also. It will feel like you have a raise if you don't have to pay this and this. Yes. Now, we know we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this happens. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can buy food and still take care of things for at least 3 to 6 months until your situation changes. All right? And you also want to go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep because eating out is expensive. And yes, food is getting higher. Yes, it is. But it costs more to eat out than it would to buy food. Okay? You could go out to eat, and for a couple going out to eat, that dinner can cost $100 easily. You know, by the time they order some drinks, I'm not even saying alcohol. I'm just talking like soda. Well, the sodas you get refilled, but by the time you order drinks, appetizers, and your meal, and then maybe get a dessert, that can run up to $100. Yes, it can. So anyway, and when you're in the store, instead of going through this drive-through here every day or every other day or whenever you go, you can buy this coffee and make your own. And you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay? All right. And we also are, what we're doing now on this channel, we're saying affirmations. I have 8 affirmations, I think, that I've been giving out, and we're saying these every day, all day. So make your affirmation list, kind of like a vision board. Okay? Let me find mine. Where's my... Okay, so this is what I did on my phone. And I put it on my phone. See, at the top it says, I decree and I declare. And this is what we are speaking. These affirmations, we're speaking them, and you literally can speak things into existence. Okay, and when you speak these things, believe it, receive it, and expect it. You know, like a woman when she's pregnant, she's expecting a baby. You may ask her, when are you expecting? And she may say, oh, in June. So we're expecting these affirmations to come to pass. Okay, so here we go. The first one is, I decree and I declare that money now cometh to me. I decree and I declare, send prosperity now. I decree and I declare that I am debt-free and I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare that I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare that my checking account balance is, and write down the amount you want. I decree and I declare that all of my bills are paid in full and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare that I do not live in lack or want. And I decree and I declare that I am now financially free. Yeah. So say this every day, all day. Just start saying it till you see it in your mind. Because if you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. All right? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and add our money to our money bottle. Yeah. Okay. Look how full this bottle is getting. This was empty when I first started. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and record. I'll put this in my planner. And if you have a planner, it has notes in the back. You can put your affirmations on here. Okay? All right. And if you have some that you want to add to it, you just go right ahead. Okay? So today is November 17th, Monday. And this is our money bottle savings challenge. I just filmed Sunday's video about an hour ago. And that is the money jar. Okay, so we're adding $10. And the total amount is not 700. $980. Wow. Because last week it was $970. So you see, it's almost getting to be $1,000. Yeah. And this is a 52-week saving challenge, and we're on week number 47. So this will be completed soon. I've already completed one, the money bag savings challenge, where it was $1,000, and it was completed. When was that completed? Money bag. Oh, that was completed on October 16th. Yeah. And we started that one over. So yeah. So if you want to join me in this particular savings challenge, I am going to do it next year. And if you want to start now, you can. Like I said, I got this bottle from Walmart. You can go there and get one. Or you don't even have to use this one. You can get something else. But just make sure you do something. Okay? All right. You all have a safe, wonderful day. And happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.